Okay, up next in our Ask Mark series, I've gotten this question from a couple individuals. This is either the third or fourth over the last since I posted my Patreon video. What I said was, I watched your video and I understand why you don't have a Patreon site, and I understand your logic behind it. Thank you. It would be stressful to me to know that people are anxiously waiting on me to produce more content and that they prepaid for that. But then the guy goes on to say, however, I know I'd be willing to donate to help keep you going. I've learned so much from your videos. I bet others would as well. Why don't you at least put a donate button on your website? Anxiously awaiting the next video, Tim and CA. I guess that's California, maybe Canada. But at any rate, I debated all week on whether I responded to this or not. But because I don't do this for the money. I do this because I want to give back to the community. I'm trying to keep a dying art of building and restoring and repairing tube gear alive. I just have a lot of fun with this hobby, and it's my way of kind of de-stressing from my normal day job. So it's not about the money. That's what my day job is for. However, saying that, I will say this is a pretty darn expensive hobby. You know, something like this KT88 single-ended build, you know, when I decided to do that and make a video series out of it, well, there goes 800 bucks. Boom. I'm working on a preamp design right now, and that'll probably be 500 or 600 bucks. Boom, kind of gone, you know. Hey, I would probably do it anyway, even if I wasn't making the videos, just for my own fun. But, you know, if people really get a lot out of my videos and wanted to donate a few dollars here and there, you know, it wouldn't hurt, but it's certainly not required. That's not why I'm doing this. So I'll show you here on my website what I've done. Okay, so on my website, blueglow.net, one of my tabs here that I've added is now called Donate. And if you click on it, you get here. And I just said I've had people ask me how they can donate to Blue Glow Electronics as a thank you for all the videos we make. Well, here's a PayPal donate button if you're interested. We don't do this for the money, but if you want to help fund some parts, wire, or solder, here you go. And you basically click this link, and I could not get it to say donate. It just kept saying buy now. And then you can put in whatever amount. And I hate that it filled that in with these pre-filled amounts. I do not like that. I would rather someone donate me $3 than I would $75. I would feel horrible if somebody donated me $75. So at any rate, it is what it is, and I've kind of put this out there in case someone really feels the burning desire. But honestly, no obligation, and it's not why we're doing this. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll keep cranking these things out.